Welcome the our channel. Today we how to automate content scheduling with Later easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Later website and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard awaiting your content. Next, connect your social media accounts. Click on the Add Social Profile button in the sidebar. Select the platforms you want to connect, such as Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Follow the prompts to authorize Later to access your accounts. Now it's time to upload your content. Click on the Media tab in the sidebar. Drag and drop your images or videos into the media library. You can also upload files directly by clicking the Upload Media button. Once your files are uploaded, navigate back to the Calendar tab. Here, you can see an overview of your content schedule. To plan a post, drag an image from your media library onto your preferred date. A post creation window will appear, allowing you to add captions and tags. Customize your post according to platform requirements. You can also schedule the exact time you want your content to be published. After you've filled in all the details, click Save. Your post is now scheduled for automation. To analyze the performance of your posts, head to the Analytics section. You can view engagement metrics and adjust your strategy accordingly. That's it. You've successfully automated your content scheduling with Later. Now you can focus more on creating engaging content while Later takes care of the posting. Enjoy the ease of scheduling your social media effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.